Hello, this video demonstrates connecting two separate set of MAX7219.4-in-1 display to Raspberry Pi Pico, two separate Raspberry Pi Pico. So as you know, a Raspberry Pi Pico has got two set of SBI pins. As per my understanding, I think it may have 4 sets of pin, but I have tested only 2. Let's see how the 2 sets work at the same time. As you see here, the current 4-in-1 dot matrix display is displaying two separate set of display properties. This is having 4-in-1 and this is 8-in-1. Two separate MAX7219 is connected here. This is dissolve property and this is closing property. So let's see. As you see here in the code, two separate hardware definitions are there. One for hardware 1 and hardware 2. It is not required, but this is just to in case the hardware type also changes. So in first set of display, it is number of devices are 8. Second has got number of 4s. The first set of pin is connected to 18, 19 and 17 in Raspberry Pi Pico SBI pin, and second set of pin are connected to 10, 11 and 13. So which that is again the Raspberry Pi Pico, and the pins are assigned here, hardware type, data pin and all those things are there. As you know, see here there is another definition where by default it takes it and you don't have to define that much, but if you are changing all the pin sets and all those things, so this is helpful in case you have multiple SBI pins and you are each connecting to MAX7219. In this setup I have changed a lot of things, text, alignment, scroll left and right, but in the real display loop I have changed to dissolve and the opening. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let's change it here. I'll make it AAA and this to BBB, and we'll upload the code. Let's save it, upload the code and see how it works. See here, this is just to show this is Raspberry Pi Pico. Even the MAX7219 comes in 3 sets of hardware configuration. It has got Parola, FC16 and IC station. So each has, for each one the hardware definitions are different. So currently the code is getting compiled and it takes a bit to upload the program. So it is uploading now and you will see the changes in a bit. So see the upper display has changed, it's BBV123, and even the other one will change now. So this is AA123 with the dissolve properties. So you see here we are controlling two separate set of MAX7219 having different number of devices connecting to different SBI pins in Raspberry Pi Pico. That is a good thing about Raspberry Pi Pico. I liked it really. Whereas Arduino has this limitation that it may have software defined pins, but that will not be much useful because it may slow down or there may be conflict or some other things may not work. Whereas this is really good. So this is a few things I have tested. So I'll be posting for some more video related to that. So thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.